During our lifetime, the rocks we see at the Earth's surface seem strong and unchanging. We think of time in rapidly passing days, months, and years. But for rocks, time must be measured in millions of years. Rocks that appear to be unchanging are, in fact, responding to a cycle of ever-changing environment. Deep underground, temperatures of thousands of degrees and many tons of pressure keep rock called magma in a molten state. The most rapid change in a rock's lifetime is its exit from the throat of a volcano. Suddenly, the magma is exposed to atmospheric temperatures and pressures. The molten rock is now called lava because it has reached the Earth's surface. The eruption may go on for days or weeks, but the lava begins responding to its new environment immediately by cooling as it flows down the side of the volcano. Eventually it solidifies, though it may take a long time for a large flow like this one to cool. When it hardens, it becomes igneous rock. The newly formed rock is now in a very different environment. The elements and the seasons begin their relentless attack. The hot summer sun bakes it. Then winter winds pile up snow around it. Ice begins carving and breaking it, sometimes whole mountains at a time in glacier country. In spring, the melting snow releases water to wash over rock surfaces. Chemicals from the ground and atmosphere are washed into cracks in the rock. Large boulders are gradually broken into smaller and smaller pieces until they are finally small enough for gravity, running water, wind, or ice to move the rock debris to new locations and deposit it as sediment. Over millions of years, layer after layer of sediment is deposited. Slowly, the sediment is pressed down and cemented until it changes into sedimentary rock. If a newly formed sedimentary rock like this sandstone is buried still deeper, the higher temperatures and pressures cause the rock to change form. Depending on its chemical composition, it may become quartzite, or gneiss, or migmatite. This process of change caused by heat and pressure is called metamorphism. If the heat and pressure continue, the rock will eventually melt, returning to its original molten state. All these changes, from molten rock to igneous rock to sediment to sedimentary rock to metamorphic rock and back to magma are all part of what is called the rock cycle. Rocks like these do seem indestructible, and in fact they may exist for millions of years with little visible change. But they are ever-changing materials, responding to the continual changes of a dynamic planet.